Hello friends, Sugar Ellise is with you, and today we will go fishing. First of all, we need to assemble our fishing rod. It consists of several parts. After you have assembled the rod, you need to check that everything is straight. The next step is to screw the reel onto the fishing rod. Next, we move on to the fishing line. The fishing line should be elastic like mine. Then we need to pass the line through all the rings that are on the rod. After we have finished with the line, we can move on to the feeder and hooks. The iron box is filled with bait, and a worm is hung on the hook. After that, we cast our rod and lock it in place. Now all we have to do is wait and enjoy nature. Look at how beautiful it is. I love picturesque places like this. I hear something. Something's bitten our fishing line. We need to get our prey out. Look at this. Here is our catch. We caught a small redfish today. Quite good. I had a great time outdoors on a fishing trip. The beauty of nature all around fills me with energy. I like fishing a lot, but I love nature even more. So I let our fish go. I advise you to do the same. Here's finish of our fishing trip. Sugar Ellise has been with you. Hope you enjoyed it. I love you all. Bye bye.